Community leaders are concerned about crime in D.C. We're now 3 weeks into the new year, and so far, D.C. police data shows 13 people have been killed in the district. This morning, as the city grapples with a violent start to 2023, Mayor Muriel Bowser held a public safety town hall to hear concerns from neighborhood representatives. Zach Merchant was in the room and shows us how, in that wide-ranging meeting, one issue loomed large.
My biggest worry is the gun violence.
The guns. We need to do something about these guns coming into the city.
I had a gun drawn on me, and I'm still nervous about it.
Mayor Muriel Bowser acknowledged the concern across the city.
You know that I grew up in Washington, D.C. You know I grew up in the height of the crack epidemic in Ward 5 in North Michigan Park. You know I grew up in a town that had over 400 homicides in a year. And I feel more anxiety across the city right now about safety.
According to police data, 884 people were shot in D.C. last year. 203 were killed. Both figures represent sharp increases from the pre-pandemic era in 2019, but a relatively modest decrease from 2021 levels.
And while we may be experiencing a downtrend, any one homicide is one too many.
Youth crime was a particular concern at the meeting. According to Chief Robert Conti, nearly 400 kids under 18 years old were arrested for violent crimes in 2022.
I can't tell you the number of kids that are showing up as victims when they get shot. They also are armed with firearms in our city.
When asked, Mayor Bowser said many factors contribute to youth crime, but the pandemic had a big impact.
The isolation and disconnection and disruption of COVID has separated a lot of young kids from systems that have kept them safe.
She says her administration is working to connect kids with resources that can help them, as police are working to identify and seize illegal guns before they're used in a crime. In Northeast D.C., Zach Merchant, WUSA 9.
Some neighborhood representatives in attendance asked for more access to rec centers, arguing they're a productive place for teens to spend their free time. Delano Hunter, Director of Parks and Recreation, told the town hall that many facilities will be expanding their hours in the coming months.